Want to take a break from Facebook without deleting your account? It's super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account on Android step by step. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone and tap the menu or three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings. After that, tap Account Center at the top. Next, tap Manage Accounts. Now tap Manage. Then tap Deactivation or Deletion and choose Deactivate Account. Next, tap Continue. Preview what happens when your account is deactivated. And tap again Continue. Enter your Facebook password if asked and follow the instructions. Finally, tap Deactivate to confirm. After that, your profile is hidden from others and your name and photos may still appear in messages. You can reactivate anytime by logging back in. If this helped, like, subscribe and share it. Have questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.